Who says rule followers get to have all the fun? Today, I'm gonna walk you through this Mary Kay makeup look called Bend the Rules and show you how to pair a dramatic, retro-inspired eye against fresh, rosy shades for a look that's just as bold as you are. You know the drill. Before we get started, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more Mary Kay videos. First, I'm going to create a halo around the eye using Mary Kay Chroma Fusion eyeshadow in Dusty Rose. Then, giving those lines a bit of shimmer with Golden Mauve and highlighting the brow bone with shade Crystalline. Now, I'm taking the Mary Kay waterproof liquid eyeliner pen to outline the extreme wing. It's okay if this part is a little messy. We're going to clean it up later. Now for the fun part! Fill in the entire wing with Mary Kay gel eyeliner using the expandable brush applicator. And fill in any gaps along the top and bottom lash line. A little oil-free eye makeup remover can help refine the tip of your wing. 2 coats of Lash Intensity mascara and the eyes are done! Because the eyes are so bold, we want the rest of the look to be fairly neutral. Add a light swipe of Mary Kay Chroma Fusion blush in Wineberry and a hint of Honey Glow highlighter on the cheeks. And finish with the new Mary Kay Supreme Hydrating Lipstick in Casual Rose. I love how hydrating and luxurious these feel. And that's how you bend the rules to get this fabulous look. You can find more details in the caption below or in the Spring 2022 edition of the look. Contact your Mary Kay independent beauty consultant to get a copy, or you can view the new interactive catalog on marykay.com. And show us your favorite bold look by tagging Mary Kay US on social media. See you next time!